Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll explore a React chat application with some exciting features. Let's start with an overview of our chat application. It's a front-end project that includes features like conversation search, a left sidebar for conversations, and a right-side message view. We're using React, React Router, and React Hooks. Search functionality: you can search for conversations by contact name. This feature makes it easy to find your chats quickly. Left sidebar: the left sidebar displays all your conversations. Each conversation includes the contact's name and the last message in the chat. You can also create a new conversation by clicking the Create Conversation button. Create conversation: you can either start a new conversation or open an existing one with a contact. Right side view: on the right side, you'll see the messages for the currently selected conversation. You can send messages within the conversation. Error handling and alerts: we've also implemented error handling and success alerts to provide a smooth user experience. These alerts appear when necessary and give you feedback on your action. In just a few minutes, we've explored this React chat application's key features. If you want to dive deeper into the code or try it out yourself, you can find the project on GitHub at the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!